Hi guys, it's Robin and Brittany of My Alkaline Vegan Journey, and we're making the ginger bug. This is the ginger bug. 3 simple ingredients: ginger, agave, and spring water. A carbonated drink with exponential health benefits. Now we know that when you add ginger, you get the digestive health, the anti-inflammatory properties, the immune support, pain relief, antioxidant protection, and cardiovascular health. For your digestive health, it relieves nausea, reduces motion sickness, and alleviates indigestion and bloating. And it produces saliva, which helps break down your food. Zingiber officinale, the scientific name for ginger, has gingerol, which is a bioactive compound that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This bioactive compound, gingerol, not only helps with conditions like osteoarthritis and fighting off infections and symptoms like colds and flu, but it also reduces muscle pain and soreness, and guess what? Menstrual pain also. You find this compound when using fresh ginger. It has antioxidant protection, and we all know that protects the cells from oxidative damage that's caused by free radicals. Ginger also helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which gives it the perfect profile for cardiovascular health. Now let's talk about agave. Agave is a natural sweetener derived from the agave cactus. Agave nectar has a lower glycemic index, which directly impacts the blood sugar levels. It's sweeter than table sugar and takes less for different recipes, so potentially reducing caloric intake. Not to mention, is derived from natural plants. Combining these two produces bubbles, which is commonly referred to as fermentation. It's the conversion of sugars into carbon dioxide gas. This combination creates microorganisms that are natural, like yeast and lactic acid bacteria. These live, natural microorganisms cause this to be the perfect probiotic. These good bacteria help maintain a balanced gut microbiome by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and supporting digestion. When adding sea moss to this combination, you make it a prebiotic also. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that nourish the probiotic bacteria. These non-digestible carbohydrates cannot be broken down and absorbed by the digestive enzymes in the human small intestines. Instead, they pass through the digestive system largely intact and serve various beneficial functions in the body, primarily in the large intestines. Many of our foods are non-digestible fibers and compounds. They're referred to as non-digestible carbohydrates. They pass right by the small intestines because they can't be broken down and absorbed by the digestive enzymes. They go straight to the large intestines because they remain primarily intact and they serve various beneficial functions in the body. You've got your soluble fibers like oats, legumes, and fruits, and vegetables. You've got your insoluble fibers like whole grains, nuts, seeds, the skins of fruits and vegetables. You've got your resistant starches like in green bananas and certain legumes, and inulin. The gingerol in ginger is also a prebiotic. Now tell me again why you're still drinking that junk when you could have the carbonated goodness of our gut cleanse and sea moss balm.